5:15, good morning, New Mexico. Here's what we are tracking for you. Less wind today, stronger wind for Friday. Rain and snow chances still favor the west and the north, and then really chilly headed into the weekend. And then next week may even get our first 70-degree temperatures. So temperatures are going to mild out. You can see snow cover right now over 4 inches in a lot of areas. Up in the northern mountains, we're getting over 8 inches, about a foot of snow in some areas. Southern Colorado could possibly be getting another 8 inches or more within the next 24 to 48 hours, 1 to 4 inches throughout western and northern portions of our state. So we still have one more system to get through. Otherwise, it is going to be another quiet day out there for 40s, 50s, and 60s throughout southern portions of the state. You can see much cooler throughout the northwest because of those systems that are impacting those areas last several days. Winds are going to be strong today, but not as strong. So gusts right now are over 30, close to 40 miles per hour throughout northeastern, eastern central portions of the state and southwestern portions of the state. You could see they lightened up a bit throughout the northwest and central portions of our state. So here in Albuquerque, gusts could be about 20-25 miles per hour throughout the afternoon. But fire weather risks still for northeastern and eastern portions of the state. So no burning, and just do your part to make sure that no wildfires do spark. Overnight tonight, we do have some snow showers developing for western and northern portions of our state. That's going to last through tomorrow morning. This is going to bump up those winds as we head into the afternoon. So right now, models are still showing over 40-mile-per-hour wind gusts. So we may see some more wind advisories and warnings being issued from the National Weather Service as we head into the next several hours. But you could see temperatures are going to still be cool in the 50s and 60s, and then 40s across the east and western portions of the state. Wind gusts for Friday afternoon, you could see hitting 50-mile-per-hour wind gusts for far eastern portions of the state. So these areas may see some of those warnings, like I said, as we head into the next day or so. Northwestern portions of the state headed into the weekend staying cool, but then by the start of next week, you can see no rain. We cut out the rain chances, and then temperatures are going to bump up into the 60s by Tuesday afternoon. Southwestern portions of the state by the weekend, we are going to be in the mid-50s, a bit milder out there for the Silver City area, but you're hitting 70-degree temperatures by Tuesday afternoon, and then into Wednesday, staying dry in long-range forecast. Southeastern portions of the state looking good for the weekend, starting off in the low 60s, much cooler for Sunday afternoon, but we're right back up into the 60s, then the 70s, flirting with 80s by Wednesday afternoon for the Roswell area. Northeastern portions of the state looking like a really good weekend out there, and then temperatures are going to be in the middle and upper 60s by the start of next week. For north central portions of the state, it is looking nice for the weekend. Cool start for Saturday. We're going to be in the low 20s, possibly into the teens in some areas, and then for Sunday, you can see temperatures going to be warming up and then hitting the low 60s by Tuesday afternoon, and carrying that into Wednesday, staying dry as we head into the first few days of next week. For our area in the Metro Valley area, 40s and 50s out there for this afternoon. Going to be breezy, possibly some impact weather because of how strong the winds are going to be for Friday afternoon. Cold start to Saturday, and then by Sunday you could see much milder out there. Monday, Tuesday getting even warmer, and then it is staying dry. A few breezy days for next week, but you could see possibly hitting 70-degree temperatures by Wednesday afternoon here in Albuquerque.